This video is mostly for my mom because I told her we went to lunch today and I said I need to get home and let Charlie out. It's like past his going outside time. And she's like, in this heat? And I was like, yeah, he likes to go outside, so we just go outside. And she's like, does he pant? And I was like, yeah, almost immediately. And I know those of you that have subscribed to Floppycats YouTube channel for a long time have seen my other videos of them panting, but it's something, you know, when Rags, now he's eating grass, when Rags was alive, you know, when he panted, it was so rare, like he was super overheated. Charlie and Trig pant almost immediately. So I don't take alarm to when they pant because they do it so fast, like the second they get out of here.
But since it's a little bit cooler over here, that's where all the mosquitoes hang out. No panting now. Just panting at the beginning of the video. My friend Sugar. Sugar, you been panting today? Say no, not really. No, I like to lay in the cool mud, keep myself cool. Thought you said cheats.
Did I say cheats? Do you want cheats? Yeah? Okay. Show me where. What do you want today, beef or chicken? Bub, chicken or beef? What's it gonna be, my friend? Combo? Bub, we could do a combo. Might do a combo? Yeah? Bye, Happy Tail. Where you go? We will get cheats? That's not a Happy Tail. Bub, just a little bit more panting. Oh, yes. Not much. Say, I gotta be getting my cheats, people. Be getting my cheats. Bub, cheats. You ready? Let's go. Let's go get cheats. He is headbutting the camera lens right now. Bub, you left like gook on the camera lens, man. Bub, cheats. Bub, cheats. Do you want cheats? Excuse me. Cheats. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, baby. I know. Oh, she's gonna grab me. I hate when she grabs me. Come on, bub. We have to pretend. Let's go.
Oh, I'm panting. I'm panting.
Come on, Wub. You ready? Who wants cheats? It's freaking hotter than Hades out here. I love you. I love you.